Teka lang.
And for our giving of bouquet, trophy, and tokens, let's start with our seventh princess, Princess of Charity. May we request the class advisor or parents? Again, for our giving of bouquet, trophies, and tokens, may we request the class advisor or parents of our seventh princess?
For our sixth princess, Princess of Courage, may we request the class advisor and parents to give the bouquet.
And for our fifth princess, Princess of Wisdom, may we request the class advisor or parents of our fifth princess?